Hi guys, so I just came from work. I am so tired. I'm sorry I look like crap right now, but I really wanted to do this video because I was sent these awesome products and they're so cute. This is by Korean brand and their name is SEP or SEP Beauty. And so, I mean, a lot of it is in Korean, but it's basically my MOTT kit. So here's one sample of it. They sent me two different boxes and you guys wait till I take this out of the box. It is so cute and convenient, you see. So my favorite is this one because it has like colors that I definitely would like to use. The retail value of this is $33. So when you open it up like that, you just have that little box in there, or container I should say, and then you have samples of what some other products that they have. Okay, and then let me take it out of the box. So this one I played around with already. And look at this. Isn't that so cute, you guys? It has a little mirror. And it also comes with like a chapstick and a lipstick. So if you want to see that, you just pull out. Look, you just kind of pull it out. Come back in. Bam, you're done. So mirror here. Okay, and then when you open this up, you guys, look at this. You have eyeshadows. Let me just swatch some for you guys. And then, okay, so here are some swatches. I like it as a quick on-the-go type of product because you just carry this around with you that has like eyeshadow. So for little touch-ups and stuff, you can definitely use this little kit in there because it comes with a mirror, it comes with a chapstick, and it comes with lipsticks. So here's what the chapstick looks like. I'm just gonna put that on. And it is like super moisturizing, which is nice. I don't get paid for this promotion or anything like that. This is not even a promotion. So they just sent me these products for a review, and I figured like not a lot of people are talking about this, and I'm like, might as well tell you guys about this. Super like bright, pretty color. So, definitely good for summer. Oh, this is just Wake Me. It's called Wake Me, and it's #1, kit #1. So that's kind of my favorite, and this is the second one. I honestly didn't even touch this or use it, but I was gonna just do this like as a giveaway, you guys, because I know I'm not gonna use these colors. And I didn't want to kind of ruin this and start swatching stuff. If one of you guys wants to try it, you can definitely comment below and, you know, just say, I'm entering, I would like this product. And then we will just do like a quick little giveaway. I mean, these eyeshadows are super nice, don't get me wrong. Look at that. They are gorgeous, you guys. Oh, man. Wow, there's this really nice peachy golden color right here. You see this one? Wait, I'm not sure where I'm pointing, right here. This is so pretty, you guys. And then let me see what colors. So it comes with chapstick again and a brighter color, kind of like bright red lipstick. Actually, it's not bright red, it's actually cherry red, which is very pretty. So one of you will get this kit. I'm just gonna put this back in the box, and yeah, I will choose a winner. Let's do 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I'll just let you know who the winner is, and then yeah, all you have to do is just be my subscriber, like and comment under this video. You can also tell me in a comment, it's not necessary, but you could just tell me if you use Korean brand products. I've actually tried a few of their skincare products, and I've really enjoyed using them. They're usually very gentle and very effective. That's why I'm like, when this company reached out to me and asked me if they can, you know, send these kits to me, and I said yes, of course. always looking to try new things. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye!